And I want to tell you that only for one item, haya maneno ya SGR, serikali ambayo imetoka iliweka sahihi, and every January the government of Kenya must make sure that they pay 40 billion. 40 billion every January for that project. The government of Kenya must make sure that every July, after January, after 6 months, they must pay another 40 billion for the same project. So for one project alone, through your taxes, yale ushuru ambao mnalipa, serikali ya Kenya lazima kwa hiyo project moja watafute 80 billion shillings in a year to repay. And these are the people who are going to the streets and telling us that we should lower the prices of everything. Didn't you think about it when you are signing those contracts? Na mwenye bana betu serikali